Pesh climbed up to the grinding wheel that night, lock in hand, puffed up proud, thinking he's right. He turns to Brad with a grin and asks real slow, how many numbers we roll this thing, bro? Brad said 16, Pesh, that's how we do it right. Brad rolled his side smooth, everything was tight. Then Pesh freaked out, eyes wide as a barn. This mother won't turn no more, raise both arms. 16 numbers, not 16 turns. Pesh don't understand, years on the job, but clueless hands. Thinks he's senior, king of the floor. 16 numbers, buddy, that's not 16 more. Brad looked at him with that really stare. You rolled it up, locked it down, backlash clear. Pesh nodded fast, confidence on full display. Then Brad asked, you rolled out 16 numbers the right way? Pesh froze.
16 numbers, I just turned it 16 times.
16 numbers, not 16 turns. Pesh don't understand, years on the job, but clueless hands. Thinks he's senior, king of the floor. But 16 numbers, buddy, that's not 16 more. He sits on the bench, calling mechanics for fun. Towels pile up, lime jam, stopping one by one. But when it comes to the grinding wheel, he's lost at the start. Senior in years, junior in heart. 16 numbers, not 16 turns. Pesh still don't see the rules of the wheel the way things be. Brad rolls smooth, the line hums alive. Pesh still clueless, just trying to survive. Yeah, if you want a lesson in what not to do, watch little Pesh